Most people lose points on fetch rewards because they redeem them the wrong way. They either choose bad reward values, miss important verification steps, or get confused when the gift card doesn't arrive instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. Redeeming Fetch Rewards gift cards is actually very simple once you know the exact process. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to redeem your Fetch Rewards points for gift cards in 2026, how long it usually takes, and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Fetch Rewards app and log into your account. On the bottom menu, tap the Rewards section. This is where you'll see all available gift card options, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, and many others. Now here's where it gets interesting. Different gift cards sometimes require different point amounts, and limited time deals can occasionally give better value. This is why smart users always compare options before redeeming. For example, Alex had enough points for multiple rewards, but noticed one brand was offering a promotional discount. Instead of cashing out immediately, he waited one extra day and got a better deal using the same points. Once you choose a gift card, tap on it and select the amount you want to redeem. Fetch Rewards will then ask you to confirm your redemption. After confirming, the app usually processes the reward digitally. But here's the problem. Many users think the gift card arrives instantly every time. Sometimes it does, but other times verification checks can delay delivery slightly. This is especially common with new accounts or unusual activity. This is where most people fail. They rush through the setup without verifying their email or phone number first. If your account information is incomplete, the redemption process may take longer. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid delays completely. Before redeeming, make sure your Fetch account is updated with the correct email address, and that your app is fully updated from the App Store. Small things like this make a big difference. Now let's talk about where to find your gift card after redemption. Once approved, your digital gift card usually appears inside the Rewards or My Rewards section of the app. You'll see the gift card code and instructions for using it online or in stores. Jake made one smart move that saved him a headache later. He immediately screenshotted his gift card code and saved it to his email. That way, even if the app logged him out later, he still had access to the reward. Another important tip is to avoid creating multiple accounts. Fetch Rewards actively monitors suspicious activity, and duplicate accounts can lead to redemption issues. So here's the bottom line. Redeeming Fetch Rewards gift cards is fast and simple. If you verify your account, choose the best value rewards, and keep track of your gift card codes properly. If this video helped you redeem your Fetch Rewards points successfully, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite gift card reward.